Do it once, do it right. VDO Hybrid Battery Cooling Fans. We're here to give you some valuable tips on installing a new VDO Hybrid Battery Cooling Fan. Hybrid battery cooling fans work to keep the battery cells cool. The fan takes cool air from the passenger compartment and circulates it over the battery cells. Pet fur, road dust, and debris can restrict airflow to the fan and cause premature wear and even permanent damage. To ensure full battery operating efficiency, the best practice is to replace the hybrid battery cooling fan when the dashboard warning symbol is displayed. The installation for every make and model is different, so we're not going to try to cover every scenario here. But before you order any hybrid battery cooling fan, check the VIN to confirm the exact year, make, and model. Before beginning any service procedure, refer to the manufacturer's safety and general information. Failure to follow these instructions may result in serious personal injury or damage to your vehicle. And most importantly, do not bench test the hybrid battery cooling fan with an external power source. A specific signal and voltage is required, and improper testing can cause permanent damage to the fan. When you're ready to install your new hybrid battery cooling fan, unlock and remove all of the protective panels, turn the vehicle power off, and disconnect the negative or ground cable from the battery. In some cases, this may result in a loss of some driver preference information, such as radio presets, clock, or seat adjustment. So be prepared for potential resets if this occurs. Check to make sure that the electrical connectors and wires are in good condition. Once you gain access, loosen the fasteners around the fan. Each fastener may be different, so it's important to keep track of each fastener's location. Remove the fan and clean all mounting surfaces and ductwork as necessary. Reverse the process to replace the new hybrid battery cooling fan. Make sure to position the shroud securely for proper airflow. Align the mounting tabs so that the fasteners return to their previous position. Then, tighten the entire assembly to the original location. Pay close attention to the electrical connections and always ensure that the pins are inserted properly and that the connectors are fully engaged when reconnecting the wire harness. Now you can reconnect the battery cables and start the engine. Turn on the air conditioning and check that the fan comes on. Relock and reinstall all of the protective panels to the hybrid battery cooling fan. Now you're up and running with your new VDO hybrid battery cooling fan.